Living organisms are different from non-living things in many ways. One key difference is that living organisms carry out certain biological processes that are essential for their survival. These processes are called life processes. They are the fundamental activities that allow organisms to grow, reproduce, and respond to their environment. Life processes include a wide range of activities, from the intake of nutrients to the removal of waste products. Each of these processes is vital for maintaining the delicate balance within an organism and ensuring its continued existence. Without these processes, life as we know it would not be possible. In this chapter, we will delve into the fascinating world of life processes, exploring the intricacies of each process and its significance in the grand scheme of life. Through simple explanations, engaging examples, and clear diagrams, we aim to make this complex subject matter easy to understand for every Class 10 student. By the end of this chapter, you will have a solid understanding of the major life processes and their importance in sustaining life. So, let's embark on this journey of discovery, unraveling the mysteries of life, one process at a time. Imagine a car running without fuel. It simply wouldn't work. Similarly, living organisms need a constant supply of energy and raw materials to carry out their life processes. This is where nutrition comes into play. Nutrition is the process by which organisms obtain and utilize the necessary nutrients for growth, repair, and maintenance of their bodies. Nutrients are the building blocks of life, providing the energy and raw materials needed for all biological processes. They include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Each nutrient plays a specific role in supporting life. For instance, carbohydrates and fats provide energy, while proteins are essential for growth and repair. Nutrition is essential because it provides the energy for all life processes. Without a constant supply of nutrients, organisms would not be able to grow, move, or even think. In essence, nutrition is the fuel that keeps the engine of life running smoothly. In the next two sections, we will explore the different modes of nutrition in plants and animals, understanding how these diverse organisms obtain the nutrients they need to thrive. Plants, unlike animals, have the remarkable ability to synthesize their own food. They do this through a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplasts, which are tiny green organelles found in plant cells. These chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which captures light energy from the sun. During photosynthesis, plants use the captured light energy to convert carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil into glucose, a simple sugar that serves as their food source. This process not only provides nourishment for the plant itself, but also releases oxygen as a byproduct, which is essential for the survival of animals. Plants also require other essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium for their growth and development. They absorb these nutrients from the soil through their roots. The roots have tiny root hairs that increase their surface area, allowing for efficient absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Animals, unlike plants, cannot produce their own food. They depend on other organisms, either plants or other animals, for their nutrition. This makes them heterotrophs. Heterotrophic nutrition in animals can be further classified into different types based on their feeding habits, such as herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores like cows and deer have adapted digestive systems to break down plant-based food, which is rich in cellulose. Carnivores like lions and tigers have sharp teeth and powerful jaws to tear flesh and digest meat. Omnivores like humans have a mixed diet, consuming both plant and animal products. The digestive system in animals is responsible for breaking down complex food molecules into simpler forms that can be absorbed by the body. This process involves both mechanical digestion, such as chewing in the mouth, and chemical digestion, where enzymes break down food molecules. Section 5. Respiration, the energy provider. We have learned that nutrition provides organisms with the nutrients they need. But how is the energy stored in these nutrients released and utilized by the body? This is where respiration comes in. Respiration is the process by which organisms break down glucose, a simple sugar, in the presence of oxygen to release energy. This energy is vital for carrying out all life processes. It's like the electricity that powers all the appliances in our homes. Without a constant supply of energy, our bodies would simply cease to function. Respiration can be broadly classified into two types, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic respiration, as the name suggests, requires oxygen for the breakdown of glucose. This process occurs in the mitochondria of cells and is highly efficient in releasing energy. Anaerobic respiration, on the other hand, takes place in the absence of oxygen and is less efficient in energy production. Section 6. Transportation in living organisms. Imagine a bustling city without any transportation system. Chaos would ensue. Similarly, multicellular organisms require efficient transport systems to move essential substances like nutrients, oxygen, and hormones to different parts of the body. In plants, the transport system is made up of two specialized tissues, xylem and phloem. Xylem vessels transport water and minerals absorbed by the roots to the leaves and other parts of the plant. This upward movement of water is driven by transpiration, the loss of water vapor from the leaves. Phloem tissues, on the other hand, transport the food prepared in the leaves to other parts of the plant, including the roots, for storage or utilization. Animals have a more complex circulatory system that uses blood as the transport medium. The heart, a muscular organ, acts as a pump, propelling blood throughout the body through a network of blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries. Section 7. Excretion, removal of waste products. Just like a well-maintained machine needs regular cleaning to remove waste products, our bodies also need to get rid of metabolic waste products that are constantly being generated during various life processes. This process of removal of harmful metabolic waste from the body is called excretion. The excretory system plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis, the balance of internal conditions within the body. It ensures that waste products do not accumulate to toxic levels which could disrupt normal bodily functions. In humans, the kidneys are the primary excretory organs, filtering waste products from the blood to produce urine. Other excretory organs include the skin, which eliminates excess salts and water through sweat, the lungs, which remove carbon dioxide during exhalation, and the liver, which breaks down harmful substances and eliminates them from the body. Section 8. Maintaining a healthy balance. Life processes are not isolated events. They are intricately interconnected and work in harmony to maintain a stable internal environment within the body, a state known as homeostasis. This balance is essential for the proper functioning of all organs and systems. For instance, the nutrients obtained through nutrition are transported by the circulatory system to provide energy for respiration. Respiration, in turn, releases energy that fuels all other life processes, including excretion. The excretory system, by removing waste products, ensures that the internal environment remains stable and conducive for life. Disruptions in any of these life processes can upset the delicate balance within the body, leading to health problems. Therefore, it is crucial to maintain a healthy lifestyle that supports the optimal functioning of all life processes. This includes consuming a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and avoiding harmful substances like tobacco and excessive alcohol. Section 9. Key points for quick revision. Life processes are the fundamental activities carried out by living organisms to sustain life. Nutrition is the process of obtaining and utilizing nutrients for growth, repair, and energy. Plants are autotrophs, producing their own food through photosynthesis. Animals are heterotrophs, depending on other organisms for food. Respiration releases energy from glucose to fuel life processes. Transportation systems in plants and animals move essential substances throughout the body. Excretion removes harmful metabolic waste from the body. Maintaining a healthy balance in life processes is crucial for overall well-being. Remember, understanding life processes is not just about memorizing facts. It's about appreciating the intricate web of life and the remarkable processes that make life possible.